There we're trying to decide where to put our new boardwalk because I recently just redid the treads on my stairs, and these are the old treads. The middle of the boards are fine, so I chopped off the rotted pieces on the ends, and I just hate to throw away good wood. And my wife wanted a walkway through our little garden, so I figured this would be a perfect use for that. Had some 2x4s laying around because everybody does. So this project cost me nothing, just all the wood I had around. And it's awesome when the kids want to help, get them involved. They're going to remember this. I don't care how crappy this boardwalk looks because it's in the backyard, nobody's going to see it, and the kids are having a part in laying it out and having fun moving the boards around and things and seeing dad at work. So that's half the fun. Taking the nails out. Got to do that on a bunch of the boards. So make sure to keep those in a pile, get rid of them. But it turned out really fun. It was a good little project here, and I just didn't want to throw this wood away. There's too much of it. Kids again, get them to help out a little bit, cleaning up the dirt off the bottoms of them. So here's what we have so far. I ended up laying my 2x4s the wide way, not the tall way here. So it's not so high up off the ground, just enough to keep it off the water. As you see, the dogs run through there all the time and make a packed in track. So it's nice to have the boardwalk off to the side so the dogs aren't going to be running a loop into the ground again, hopefully. So here we are, getting more than halfway done. The kids are having fun spacing out the boards and figuring that out. Just a fun little project. I like to make DIY things out of used. So it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.